guys, we're here in Henrietta, New York. We've been unloaded for an hour or two already. Just working on some video, editing some stuff. So what we're going to do, why we're waiting so long, is we're waiting to see if our load for Monday is going to be ready tonight. So I didn't want to start too early, because if I do go after my load for Monday, I want to be able to get home. So we're getting ready to head out now. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous afternoon. It'd be nice if the whole weekend was like this, but unfortunately, it's supposed to have rain and thunderstorms on Sunday. So, okay guys, we will catch you down the road. Alright guys, we just made a little pit stop here at the Pennsylvania Welcome Center up on top of the hill here. It's overlooking that big reservoir down there. Pretty nice. A lot of nice scenery right around here. Keypad wasn't working. Is it right on here? Had to go inside and give him all my info inside. No biggie, just takes a few minutes longer. Oh, it's nice and warm out tonight. It's like 72, I think, right here. Alright guys, we just finished getting fuel here at the Buckhorn, the TA in Buckhorn, PA. Alright guys, once again we have arrived here in Breinigsville. Try to get hooked up and get the heck out of here. It's almost midnight. Have to check this trailer out pretty good. It's an older one. That reminds me. Let's rattle this cord around. Make sure none is blinking. Hey, I just unplugged the cord again. I forgot to look. When you plug this in, the ABS light should come on back there. It'll be a amber light on the back corner of the trailer, just above the red light. And there it is. It's supposed to go on and go off. That's what it did. I don't know if you could probably see it in the GoPro. Maybe not. That's looking good. Shit, last night there was a bunch of mosquitoes here. Haven't seen any yet. They're probably back here by the back of the trailer waiting for me. Hey, there's some fairly new tires on this thing. You got a pin there and a pin up front there. That looks good. All right. Seal number 5948. That's good. You see this right here? I don't know if this will come out in the video. This plate right here. I've been cracking down on these lately. If they can't read these, that one looks all right. They'll give you a ticket. This plate ain't on here to certify that this is a DOT approved bumper, the original, or you know, not just something you made and put on there. That's what that plate is right there. It's always something, right? Always something. That tire looks low. See, because it is low. It's not flat. So it's probably got about 60-70 pounds of air in it, so it's considered a flat. We will give it the air system and see how if it airs up. Otherwise, we're gonna have to get it fixed. All right, so just gotta check that tire out. We'll give it a while to air up before we leave. We'll check it. It'll probably air up. Most of the time they do. Okay, well, the low tire light just went out on the trailer. So the tire must not have been that low, because usually they don't air up that quick. We'll get through the gate here and then we'll go back and check it. Alright guys, I'm going to run back and check that tire. Get my flashlight here. Be right back. Alright guys, she aired up alright. That's good. We ain't got to worry about that. Okay, let's head for the barn, people. Okay, we're in the Lehigh Tunnel. Headed for home. That's going to wrap it up for this week of the Trucker John Show. I'll be back again Monday. Appreciate you watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe.